Hi, my name is Katie with WTI, and I want to tell you about this beautiful bedding set that I received from AOJIM. I love this set. It comes with a duvet cover and 2 pillowcases, and I did get the queen size for my guest room. So I love that it's 100% cotton, which means that it's just going to get softer over time. It's going to hold up really well, and it's going to wash very easily. I absolutely love this orange rusty color with the little white daisies on it. I think it is so precious. It's very feminine, but not over the top because it has the nice orange background on it, which orange is so popular this year. So I know that I'm going to have a nice, cozy, trendy guest room for my guests. It does have corner ties on the inside, so you can easily tie it on to whatever comforter that you want to use. I do really like that it has a zipper instead of buttons, and it's got a nice almost 1-inch little flap that covers over the zipper, and you're not even going to notice that zipper. You'll still be able to sleep, or your guests will be able to sleep just fine because you can't even tell that the zipper is there. I am so happy with this bed set by AOJIM, and that's my point of view.